Good morning, my friend. I'm gonna talk about the topic reverse engineering in medical materials. Let's get into the intro. Welcome to the world of reverse engineering in medical materials. Today, we will experience the innovation technique and applications in this field of medical materials. Let's cover the hidden potential of medical material and the uses. Let's understand the concept of reverse engineering. The reverse engineering is the process of deconstructing and analyzing the product to understand their functionalities. In this context of medical materials, this approach is which is used to allow us to gain insights into their composition, properties, and potential applications. Is called as the understanding of reverse engineering. Advanced material analysis. Utilizing cutting-edge technology such as spectroscopy, microscopies, we can delve deep into the molecular and structural composition of medical materials. This detailed analysis enables us to identify key properties and potential improvement is called as the advanced materials analysis. Innovation applications. Through reverse engineering, we can uncover novel applications for medical material, including biocompatible implants, drug delivery system, and tissue engineering scaffolds. These innovations have potential to revolutionize medical treatments and interventions. Let's talk about the challenges and opportunities in this medical material. While reverse engineering in medical material presents in exciting opportunities, this also comes with the challenges such as regulatory compliances and safety considerations. Navigating these complexities is essential to harm potential of advancement in healthcare. And last, the conclusion of these medical materials are reverse engineering offers powerful approach to the secret of medical material, paving the way of groundbreaking innovation in healthcare. By leveraging advanced analytic technique, we can drive the development of next generation medical solutions that improve the patients' of outcomes and quality of life. These medical applications in reverse engineering will help us to learn about the opportunities and applications in the reverse engineering in medical application. Thank you.